Denise here from Sewlimitless, and today I wanted to do a little sewing vlog style talk, chit chat with you. I'm going to tell you about my current project and some of the plans that I have for upcoming, I guess, for the fall. So let's get started. First of all, welcome back to the channel. If you are returning, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise. I want to talk about this current project that I'm working on. This has been something I've been waiting actually to do since January. It is now August. As you probably know, if you've been following me for a while, you know I'm a Minerva brand ambassador. So what that means, they send us an email and we request our choices. We give them a list of choices of fabrics that we want. So I did that back in January. I just got the fabric in July, middle of July. Now that is an extraordinarily long time. Normally there's no issue or problem. This is the fabric here, and you, like I said, if you followed me for a while, you will recognize this print. If I can show you, you will recognize this print because I made a skirt and a shirt, a couple of tops actually, from this print fabric, but the fabric itself is different. That was an ITY knit. It's a Minerva exclusive Floral Jungle is the name. Floral Jungle viscose jersey stretch knit print on demand. So what I think happened, and the reason I think it took so long, because I did not receive this until the middle of July. Like I said, it is now August. So I think what happened is that their Minerva supplier probably had a hard time getting in the base fabric. Now the base fabrics are, I guess they're always white because they're going to print on one side of them. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to get this fabric, which is why I ordered the ITY knit in the same print, because I like the print. So now I end up with this same print everywhere. But I've just made the gray jeans from the suiting fabric that I showed you in a video basically that was out last week. Usually when I have a more detailed and intense, I like to do, the next project is usually going to be something a little bit easier and simpler and faster to make. So that is the case with this. I am going to make Love Notions boyfriend cardigan, and I've made this before. I've made this probably 2 or 3 times. I've made it in a leopard print. I've made it in a couple other prints and designs. This is a quick and easy make, and the pattern's already put together. I don't have to deal with any of that. So like I said, this one is it's a free pattern. I think you can just sign up for a free account with them. They do like social media, even though it's not really social media. You can post on like your makes onto their site, things like that. So it's actually kind of a fun place to connect with people all over the world. But when I saw this and I thought, oh, this would be nice, I looked at the pattern and it's like, I believe it's 63 pages. I was not I was not interested in putting together 63 page PDF. So like I said, this one was already put together. I've already made this one, and it's very, very similar to that pattern. So I went ahead and I'm going to do the boyfriend cardigan from this Minerva fabric. Another thing that has come up is this past weekend, I was cleaning up in my sewing room and I came across some patterns that I had apparently ordered from Simplicity. I believe it was back in March or April. Totally forgot about them. So these are the patterns I'll share with you, because I always meant to do a video and that's why I never brought it up. But here we have McCall 7475, and all of these patterns will be great for the fall as well, because they're actually more fall like patterns than summer or anything like that. This one is Mrs. Skirts, Shorts, and Culottes. So that's McCall 7475. We have Berta Style 5672. This one here, I really like the black shorts there. I like those kind of shorts that I like to make and wear. This one is Vogue 2094. These are just pants in 2 lengths is what they say. And so this would be great for fall as well. And this one, New Look 6827. This one is pants and short. And these longer ones in particular would be perfect in like a linen. That's one of the fabrics that's suggested on here. Is a linen fabric, cotton blends, jersey, linen, rayon, seersucker, and synthetic. Something like this is also a good transition type of garment because you can get a lot of wear out of it, especially if something like linen in a more of a earthy tone in particular. That would be nice. So I found those, and so I can at least try to make at least one of those patterns fairly soon. We'll see. I do have some more linen. I'm thinking of making another one of these. So, I made this linen set, and I really do enjoy that very much. And I have another piece of linen that I ordered. This is from Fabric Wholesale Direct, and I don't know if there's anything stuck inside, but it's this color. But I would probably do the longer sleeves this time, and the pants as well, just like before. So I hope to have enough of this fabric for that. So that is the only other thing that I'm planning. I've got some other fabrics here. I have a lot of other fabrics here, but I do have some fabrics that I purchased particularly for fall because I do want to get into more fall sewing. I have not done a lot for the summer, but I'm trying. So we'll see how that goes. But basically, I think that's what I had to share with you this time around. Please go ahead, give the video a thumbs up, and hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss a new upload the next time I upload a new video. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you all are up to. What kinds of projects are you working on? Do you like the summer sewing or the fall, winter type of sewing? I really like the fall. Fall is my favorite season, to be honest. And where I live, though, it's warm all the way through about the end of September, and usually until to the middle of October. You can get a lot of use out of some transitional type of clothing. So hopefully, you never know how the weather is going to be, so we'll see how that goes. But hopefully that'll be the case, and I can really get a lot of use out of some of the things that I've made most recently. The jeans that I made, that I did out of the suiting fabric, those are really for the fall and winter because the fabric is heavier since it is a suiting. And I don't really wear jeans in the summer because it's just too hot and humid here in Maryland. So I don't wear that kind of thing. It's just too hot for me. So that waits until the fall. But yeah, let me know what you all are up to. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate your time. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.